Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Squibler AI to write a novel. In order to do so, here we are at squibler.io. And what's Squibler all about? Well, you can turn your idea into a story, write books, novels, and screenplays by chatting with AI, say goodbye to writer's block. And you can see here that you can do fiction books, you can do horror, sci-fi, there's all sorts of stuff to make sure that everything is remaining consistent. It is the AI story writer built for writers. And you can click here to start for free. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So we have our annual and we have our monthly. Let's take a look at the monthly. And you do get the free version, which is pretty minimal, and there's not too much you can do with it. It's enough to get in there and play around and kind of get an idea for how it works, maybe get started, but you're going to need the pro version if you really want to use Squibler to write your book. For $29 a month, you get unlimited AI manuscripts and outlines, unlimited AI writing features, unlimited text-to-image generation, one physical copy, our gift to you, and live online training. So that's not too bad, really. If you can get that book done in a month, then you get a free copy. So that's pretty cool. So if you're interested in using Squibler, head on over to squibler.io in order to get started, and you can sign up there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account, and you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.